In last video, we came to know about the electronic configuration of the 3D series, and we also know about the two exceptional elements, chromium and copper. And what is the reason of the exceptional behavior? We came to know about this in this video. Firstly, actually what happens, half-filled and full-filled subshells are more stable, and the stability reason is symmetry. If full-filled subshell is present, it is more symmetrical because of the symmetrical distribution of the electrons. And if any subshell is completely half-filled and full-filled, it is more stable, and more stable subshell will be exist in higher extent. That's why anomalous behavior in these two cases. In chromium, expected EC was what? Its atomic number is 24. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d4. Right? It was according to the Aufbau rule. But what happens? One electron moves from 4s to the 3d. And it becomes, actual EC becomes what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d5. Now look at this. There is 3d4, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and in this case 3d5, which is completely half filled. This one is completely half filled and this is completely half filled. It means it is extra stable. And extra stable means it will stay, right? Now come to know about the copper. Copper के लिए expected EC it is same 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. You can do by yourself and try it like this, in this manner, and we know that it is 4s2, 3d9. But what happens actually, one electron from 4s will shift to the 3d and its actual EC becomes what? 1s2 to 3d, 3p6 remain same, and 4s1, 3d10. Why 3d10? In this case 3d9. Look at this 3d9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in this case 10. Which is more stable? Leave it. Which is more symmetrical? Definitely this one is more symmetrical. This is more symmetrical, that's why it is more stable. And that's the reason this is the actual EC for the copper. And another reason is the exchanges. Exchange energy. What means exchanges? If electrons are in parallel spin, they can exchange their position. Right? If I am saying that they are in parallel spin like this, they can exchange their position. If they can exchange their position, they release energy, and such energy is known as exchange energy. Greater the number of exchanges, greater the exchange energy, more the stability. You must remember, जितना ज़्यादा एनर्जी रिलीज होगी, एक्सचेंज एनर्जी जितनी ज़्यादा होगी, उतनी ही ज़्यादा स्टेबिलिटी होगी. Right? Now we can count the exchanges. Definitely exchanges in case of the completely half filled and completely filled orbitals of a subshell is maximum, and in this case exchanges are maximum. It means exchange energy will also be maximum, and that's why they are more stable. Now look at the second factor to explain exceptions of chromium and copper is exchange energy. With parallel spin, electron exchange their position. I will show you how. During exchange, energy released. If more exchanges, more exchange energy and more stability, you have to remember this, right? Maximum exchanges when subshell is half filled or completely filled. We will see example of D4 and D5. In case of chromium, why the actual EC is D5 not D4. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons are there. How the exchanges can take place? I am taking example of the firstly electron first, this one. It can exchange with this one, it can exchange with this electron, and it can exchange with this electron. How many exchanges are there? 3 exchanges. right? Now we will talk about the next electron, second one. अभी हमने बात की first की, second one. Second can exchange with this one and second can exchange with this one. Again there are how many exchanges? 2. Now we will talk about the third one, about this. Sorry, ये नहीं consider करना है. And it can exchange only with this one. How many exchanges are there? Only one exchange. Now count total exchanges. 3 plus 2 plus 1. It means total are 6 exchanges. Right? Now in case of D5, we can also count in case of D5 like this. For the first electron, exchanges possible are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 exchanges for the first electron. Now for the second electron, 1, 2 and 3. 3 exchanges for the second electron. Now come for the third, 1 and 2. 2 exchanges for the third electron. And now we will talk about the fourth electron and 1 exchange for the fourth electron. Now count all these exchanges. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and it comes out to be 10 exchanges. Which is more in exchanges? Definitely D5. D5 has more exchanges in comparison to D4. More exchanges means more exchange energy and more stability. That's why this EC will exist in case of chromium. Right? In this video, what we know? We know about the reason for the exceptional electronic configuration of chromium and copper, and we can explain on the basis of the extra stability of the half filled and completely filled orbitals, and again we can explain it on the basis of the exchange energy. Higher the exchange energy, higher the stability. Right? Next video we came to know about the next topic. Till then, goodbye.